Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove your cursor from your game screen. For example, when I play over here, you can see that my mouse cursor is away, completely visible, which I don't want, and it's moving around outside the screen. That means I can well affect something that's outside the game screen and stuff, which I don't want. So I'm going to first of all close, then go on my code. The void start in your main camera, just here in your script, and a C script, and in your void start in that script, just add this line of code. Make sure you type it correctly because it's case sensitive. Just I'll put it in the description just in case. And just copy and paste. Now let's save it. Let's go back. Wait for it to do magic. Now play. Now as you can see, my cursor is nowhere outside. Now this allows me to test and play my game very conveniently. And now I just have to press escape and my cursor is available outside again. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.